Are you struggling to strike balance between your work and family domains? Studies have explained how sharing experiences about work can bring about balance in dual earner couples and shape relationship and life satisfaction. It's important for spouses to discuss their work with each other because work is often a significant part of our lives and can significantly impact our well-being. Sharing details about your work with your partner can help them better understand and support each other and provide an opportunity to connect and bond over shared interests and experiences. And to better understand this phenomenon, in today's video, we'll be talking about how talking to your partner about work can make your relationship stronger. But first, if you're new to this channel, I'm Jordan Travers. I'm a licensed clinical psychotherapist and the clinical director of Awake Therapy. If you're interested in learning more about Awake Therapy, you can click on the link in the description. And if you're in need of psychological or emotional support, feel free to book an initial consultation with one of our therapists by visiting our website at www.awaketherapy.me. Okay, so let's get right into it. Conversations around work are an essential part of how individuals enact their home environments, negotiate with their partners, build awareness, and create meaning out of their experiences. By sharing information and ideas about your work, spouses can better understand and support each other, making sense of connection and teamwork. If you're looking for advice on how to build the lines of communication and support in your relationship, here are a few tips. Develop a habit of regular checking in with your partner. Talk about each person's obligations, demands, and needs in an open and honest manner. It's crucial to check in and to see how things are going and to be flexible enough to adjust role responsibilities as necessary. Be willing to share duties and responsibilities. Be prepared to help out with tasks and responsibilities that may not fall under your normal responsibilities. And this can involve taking care of children, doing laundry, or running errands. Each partner must take an initiative to support the other. Appreciate your spouse for their support. Show your appreciation and support for your partner's dedication while actively listening to their concerns about their work. And this might be as easy as displaying admiration for their accomplishments or encouraging them when they're feeling overwhelmed. And lastly, spend quality time together. Avoid busy schedules, prioritize your relationship, and make time for each other. Make an effort to schedule quality time with your partner to improve communication quality. Although it's important to give work the respect it deserves, it's also important to be able to slip out of work mode. If you find yourself talking too much about your work with your partner, consider trying out new activities that give you something fresh to discuss. Don't avoid work conversations with your partner, but don't overdo it either. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you found today's content helpful. Make sure to subscribe to receive updates when a new video is posted. And remember, platforms like YouTube are an excellent resource for getting information out to others, but it does not take the place of individualized psychotherapy. I look forward to seeing you soon.